In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple projects in Jira step by step, even if you're just getting started. If you're handling several projects at once and things are starting to feel messy, don't worry, Jira has the tools to keep everything organized and under control. To begin, log in to your Jira account. Once you're inside, make sure each project you're working on is properly created. In Jira, every project has its own board, its own issues, and its own workflow. Keeping projects separate like this helps avoid confusion and makes everything easier to manage. Next, let's talk about boards. Each project typically has its own board, such as a Kanban board or a Scrum board. These boards give you a visual overview of your tasks. You can switch between boards to check the progress of each project. Make sure you or your team keep tasks updated regularly so the boards always reflect the real situation. Now, if you don't want to jump between projects all the time, this is where dashboards come in. Go to the dashboard section and create a new dashboard. From here, you can add gadgets like assigned tasks, activity streams, or filter results. This allows you to monitor multiple projects from one single place, which saves a lot of time. Another powerful feature you should use is filters. Jira allows you to create custom filters using JQL, which lets you pull tasks from different projects based on conditions like status, priority, or assignee. Once you create and save these filters, you can also add them to your dashboard for quick access. To stay even more organized, use labels or components. These help you categorize tasks across different projects, making it easier to search and manage related work. It's especially useful when multiple projects share similar tasks or goals. If you're working with Scrum projects, don't forget about the backlog. The backlog helps you prioritize tasks and plan upcoming work. Even when managing multiple projects, having a clear priority list makes your workflow much smoother. So, to sum it up, manage projects separately, use boards for visibility, dashboards and filters to track everything together, and keep your tasks updated at all times. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.